Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add like different footers for each of your page on Google Docs. So as you can see, I have footer 1, footer 2, but if I scroll down, it's going to still be footer 2. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to select insert and you're going to select where is it? Is it in format? Nope, it's supposed to be here. It's the page break one. I think I need to like insert it here. Wait, hold on. Let me just actually select this first. Insert break, and you're actually going to select section break next page, so that here, you can just delete link to previous and select footer. Add footer 3. And that's how you can create like a new one. Or again, here you can insert and then do the page break. And then on this one, I think you can change it to like footer 4. Or again, you can just untick link to previous. Yeah, I think it's easier if you just unlinked it to your previous one. Yeah, just unlink it with your previous one here. I don't know why it's still like linked here. I think you have to add in like a different section. So this one's section 1. Wait, hold on. This is section 1. This is section 1 still. I think I'm going to just page break this one. And then I'm going to put footer 2 in the section 2 one. And then section 3, footer 3. And then you're just going to keep on adding a page break so it's different for each like footer. So yeah, that is it. You just have to page break it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.